guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking the aloe vera mixed with olive oil, and I'm going to go from straight to curly using this method. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm massaging my scalp, and I cannot tell you enough that you need to massage your scalp at least 3-4 times a day to make your hair grow like crazy. So this stuff is like really watery. And just drips down like nothing. I hate it, to be honest. So for this DIY, I just used one big aloe vera leaf and put probably just like a tablespoon, probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and blended it up. And I have really thick hair, so just that one leaf was enough to cover my whole head. My favorite thing in this whole wide world is massaging my scalp. Anytime I get a chance, I'm massaging my scalp. Okay, so here I'm just going to take my ends and dip it directly into the product so that I can fully saturate my ends because they look horrible. They're very dry. And here's my daughter Andrea. She went to say hey. That's the second youngest. Okay, so now that the hair is completely covered, we're gonna wait 30 minutes before rinsing it out. All right, I'm back, and literally I just took a shower and rinsed it out. No shampoo or conditioner or anything. And these are my curls after going from straight to curly. And all it is aloe vera and olive oil, and I blended it up, put it in my hair while it was straight, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then bam, my curls is back popping. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit like and also subscribe so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And thanks again for watching.